Hello and welcome to today's packed and short video, which is called S&P 500 all-time highs, but I'm hoping that you have reviewed Sunday's video, which had been diving into more than a couple of charts, starting again with the US dollar, and you can see how my calls for the dollar to be declining into the terribles, and thereafter, when it seemed like the 90-day pause has solved everything, that it had clearly broken below the 98 level and continued to the downside. If I stick with the latest directional call, and this is how the US dollar is still declining. So much for yields, and another call that had worked great for clients, for yields to keep retreating and the short end of the curve to be benefiting significantly more than the long one. So you can see it here clearly with the black line that is sinking faster than the candlestick patterns. When it comes to stocks, I hope once again, thank you for liking the video and subscribing to the channel, that you had reviewed Sunday's video where I had talked the weekly candlestick and weekly chart. Note how well those market breadth indicators stand at the moment. Yeah, note it really well. But when it comes to larger, longer term breadth indicators such as mavens summation index, we can see that the bull up-like is still having some room to go. But when it comes to daily chart, how sustainable is this kind of a pattern? Well, shall we see some kind of a pullback? And that was exactly the call that I had made yesterday before the opening bell for clients, and they were pretty in the picture that I had expected the upswing, pre-market upswing Monday to be rejected, and we saw a very weak session followed by a reasonable finish to it. However, more pre-market weakness today on Tuesday. So what is that going to mean for stock prices today, given the sectoral perspective? We can see as well that real estate and healthcare are acting diametrically opposite to what consumer discretionaries are. So what kind of a sign is that? When it comes to gold and silver, of course, such a move in the dollar and yields, no matter their relative underperformance, did not leave them declining in tandem indefinitely. I'm meaning especially gold, which is called a solid bit today. Silver, it is a very different metal, and one that I have immediate fondness for when it comes to the gold-silver ratio and implications, what it means for silver price. And clients have been, trading signals clients have been benefiting as well from the oil moving back towards the upper border of its post-Iranian ceasefire range. So make sure to join the premium services, daily analytics, together with the intraday channels for immediate updates to benefit from everything that I do.